Welcome to my channel Mummy Class. Today we will write and learn Valentine's card. So let's start. Dear Pooja, you are the sunshine in my life that brightens up day by day. Your smile is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. Your love is the most precious gift I have ever received. On this Valentine's Day, I want to tell you how much I love and appreciate you. You are my best friend, my partner, and my love. Happy Valentine's Day. With love.